Hey guys, this is a product review for the Bagail packing cubes. This is a set of 4 and they come in different sizes. So there's a pretty large one and then 2 mediums, one's slightly larger than the other, and then a mini. But they're all a really good size, so you can pick your category of what you'd like to put in each one, like all your t-shirts, all your tops, all your bottoms, that sort of a thing. Put them all together. I like to roll them so that they don't wrinkle. But let me just show you more about the cube itself. It's really smooth, it's almost silky, but it's like water resistant, so it's like durable but feels slightly luxurious. Not extremely, but like a little. And then you have this, it's a compression pack, so you can see there's a zipper on the bottom and then a zipper on the top. The gray is how you access the insides, and then the black is what closes it. And that just saves you a little space, so you can see it started to unzip. So I'll open it up, and it does go all the way around, and that lifts it up. So you see all of that space. So you want to make sure you don't pack the cube too tightly when it's unzipped, otherwise it's just going to be too hard to try and zip it back up. But if you do it about 2/3 of the way, then when you go to zip it up, it kind of squishes things down a little bit, and that does help you save space. So you unzip it, and then it opens up pretty wide, and you can put your stuff in there. And as I said, I roll things to try and keep them from being wrinkled. I have a bunch of tank tops in there, but when it's unzipped, it's very easy to drop in a bunch of stuff when it has that, would you call that a ridge or a lip? And then zip it all back up, and you can see it's not like hyper full. There's still a little wiggle room. I maybe could put a few more things in there. And then I can zip it to compress it, and that's going to make it easier to drop into a suitcase. You see what a difference that made? It just tightens it all up, but it's still easy to get your stuff in there. If you try and put stuff in while it's compressed, there's like no lip. It's just a little, it's more difficult. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but trying to get your stuff in while there's no lip is hard. But if you do it while it's uncompressed, it's very easy. So I really like these. I think they're well made. They seem really durable. I just got them recently, but I think I'll be able to use these for many, many years. And the size varieties are really great. I think you can do an entire wardrobe within these 4. Bagail might have some offerings in a pack of 6. I feel like I saw that, but you could always get 2 packs if you really wanted to. Maybe get a few different colors so that it's easier to keep track of which cubes have what. But this is a good set for me. I'm really happy with it, and yeah, that's all there really is to say. Nice cubes.